begin with, I've got 5 pounds of sardines and 3 pounds of dorado fish, two of my favorite types of fish. Now all of these fish need to be cleaned, and to be honest, I prefer if my mom took care of that. I'm really not a fan of doing it myself. She begins with the sardines. The first thing she's going to do is remove the head of the fish, then clean the inside and remove all of the entrails. The most important thing to know about cleaning a fish is that you want to do it as soon as you can. This ensures that your fish is as fresh as possible. For all the sardines, she repeats the same process. Let's move on to the dorado fish. She's going to start by washing and scraping off the scales. Next, she's going to remove the fish fins. And she's going to move the blade along the belly, cutting all the way to the head, and then remove all of the entrails. While it can be a bit messy, you really do need to clean it well. Now, I'm getting ready to marinate these fish. I'll place them in a wooden bowl. For the marinade, I'll use 2 lemons and 1 orange. First, let's cut them in half. To get the fresh fruit juices, I'll squeeze them using a manual juicer. Next, I'll pour the citrus juice all over the fish. Follow that up with a generous drizzle of some extra virgin olive oil. For seasoning, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of paprika for a nice color, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry mint, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Once all the ingredients are added, it's time to get to work. Using both hands, I'll mix the marinade thoroughly into the fish. It is important to take the time to make sure every piece is thoroughly coated. I recommend that you pick up each piece of fish and rub the marinade on the outside and inside of the fish. Today, I'm going to use my Tuscan grill for cooking fish inside the oven. I've also got some veggies to go along with it. Let's give the fish a final mix in the marinade to lock in the flavor. Because they're bigger, let's start with the dorado. Lay them out on the grill, but leave some space between them. Next, fill in the empty spaces between the dorado with the smaller sardines. And finally, place the whole peppers and tomatoes evenly on top of the fish. I'm ready to slide the grill into the oven. This baby can hit temperatures from 850 to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes, you heard me right, 900 degrees Fahrenheit in a wood-fired oven. At these blazing temperatures, I'll grill the fish for just 30 seconds. So, let's close the oven door for half a minute. So we're going to remove the grill and check out the fish. Voila, take a look at this stunning spread. That's how I grill fish at the highest temperature possible. And let me tell you, this fish was absolutely delicious, and the whole family enjoyed it. I would recommend trying it in the electric oven if you don't have a pizza oven. Just adjust the oven to the highest temperature possible.